Hello, my sparkling sunshines. I'm coming to you today, and the reason I'm just showing just these wood pieces, cause I'm going to attempt another fountain, and I'm literally gonna make it from scratch with just these pieces of wood and recycled bottle, water bottle, and like a recycled plastic bowl. And yeah, so that's why I'm just showing the wood. It's going to be a recycled water bottle and a recycled plastic bowl. And so, well, you know, the other things, the submersible mini water pump and the hose and everything. So I'm going to attempt another fountain. So that's what we're going to do. All right, we're going to get started. Okay, everybody. Now, we're gonna test it out before I finish putting anything else on it. And as you can see, I did the sides. I did it with the not the rectangular plank wood. And I have some up here to show you. I did it with these, the square plank wood. I did 3 on each side and glued them. Did 3 on each side and glued the 3 on top of each other, and then I glued it to the rectangular plank right here instead of using the rectangular plank, because it would have took like a little bit more because it wasn't as wide. But this being as wide, it came by this plank wood. This plank wood being as wide, it came all the way over. So yeah, by this one being wide, it came all the way over. So I did do that off camera, and then I just put the block wood right here at the top that you see. I just put the black wood up there to make it even. And what I did too, because I'm gonna put a topping on here, see, like this here, I'm gonna put a top on it. When I put the front on it, I'm gonna put a top like this on it. So I glued the square plank wood like this, 2 pieces each, cause that'll fit all the way over. Okay, so yeah, so you see that'll fit all the way over. But in the middle part up here at the top, I'm gonna have to probably use block wood to close in that little small space that's gonna be left, because I'm gonna put it one on this end, one on this end, and then like one next to it, and then the small space right here that's open, I'm gonna have to use like the block wood because it's too small to put the plank wood, the rectangular plank wood, or the square plank wood. So I did that to get that started. So before I get anything else started, I wanted to test it and make sure it runs out the way I want it to run out. So as you see, I did the holes. See if you see it. I did the holes. I'm coming out of the bottom of it with the holes, and I'm putting, see, I got it taped where I want to glue it, so that way, you kind of hide the holes. The holes ain't all hanging out everywhere. So I kind of got it, and see right here where you see it, once it's all done, see, I don't have the front piece on yet. See, once it's all done, see, I'm gonna put this front piece on, and then you won't be able to see that little piece. And once I glue these pieces right here, I'm gonna put something over that to cover it. And so and I got the mini submersible pump in here, and then how we can, let me turn the camera down, okay, I'll move the camera. So how the mini submersible pump, so how we can hide this is just maybe putting a seashell over it, maybe some of these rocks like this here. I had a big knot, tight knot in there. I mean, tight that tight. So we could just cover it like with rocks like that. And if you want, you could glue the rocks on it as well. So we could cover that with wait, camera kind of crooked. Okay, so we could cover that as well with like rocks like that. So okay, we're gonna see if it works. So let's put the water in. Let's see if it works. If it doesn't, go back to the drawing board and see what type of water effect I'm gonna put. Let's pour this water in, and then I'll plug it up. Okay, give me 2 seconds to plug it up. I believe I turned it all the way up already. I have see if it fill it up. It's not. It is, but it needs to be full. It's coming. But by this, I think by this hose being so thin, I think it needs to be full. To come out the way I want it. See, it's only putting like a little thin line. I mean, it's coming down out of some of the holes, but you can see the drips on other holes. Oh, yeah, I showed you all that I poked holes in this bottle here. Wait, hold on. Sorry, y'all can't see it. But so yeah, I poked holes. I thought I showed you all that I poked holes in this bottle here, but see, you can see the drips in some of the holes, and then some of it is coming down. I think because my hosing is so thin, I think it needs to be a little wider. Cause I think the bottle need to be. I think this bottle need to be filled. Okay. We'll go back to the drawing board. I think, you know what I'm going to do? Maybe if I use, because this bottle is kind of... First, I'm going to try with this one to see if I can get it. And if not, I'm going to use a bottle that's... a plastic bottle that's a little bit more solid. Because, this one is kind of flimsy. So, maybe if I get one that's a little bit more solid, maybe it'll do it. Yeah, see, because the hose is because the holes are in here, it's not really gonna fill up. Okay, everyone, it does work, but not exactly how I want it to work. So let me go back to this part and get this, see what we can do to get this fixed up, and then I tell you what I did, and then once we get this working the proper way, how I want it to work, then I'll tell you what I did, and then we'll go from there. All right, let me go back to the drawing board. guys. Here we go. Woo. I think I'm gonna put some lights. Well, you saw I wrote the note on there that my tubing is a little wider and I got a more sturdy bottle, so it's coming out a little better, a little stronger. I think I kind of off punched. I think next time I should put maybe some masking tape on there and make little dots and then punch the holes and make sure I'm punching the holes in the right. I mean, it's still working. It's coming on down, but it's like a waterfall. So what I'm gonna do on the inside, cause you see I still got that, cause I painted all of it black. So what I think I'm gonna do on the inside, I think I'm gonna put some type of picture behind there. A little nice picture behind on the inside, back there on the inside. I'm gonna put a picture back there, and I think cause you can see the lights, cause I got it around the little bowl down there, and also I didn't glue the bowl down. At first I had glued it, but I took it loose because I remember you got to take the bowl out. You got to take the bowl out to pull the water out and to fill the bowl up. So you have to take the bowl out. So, and I think I'm gonna put some clear lights like around on the sides, on these sides like that. I think I'm gonna put clear lights around there to go with the multicolor lights. And I think that'll make it look even nicer. So yeah, in a nutshell, this is it. And you know, I did the top with the paper. I did the top and the side and the back with this paper. So yeah. So I'm gonna keep on making some fountains, like different ways with stuff. This fountain pretty much was made from scratch. Really, because I put all the pieces of wood together and glued them and everything, and the bottle, the water bottle, is a recycled bottle, and this bowl, that bowl is a recycled bowl. Yeah, I had a salad in that bowl, I believe. Yeah, that's recyclable, and yeah. Pretty much just made everything from scratch with the wood and stuff I already had here, but the wood and everything is not that expensive because I got that all those plank woods I got it from Dollar Tree. The seashells I got from Dollar Tree, that the like little trees and things like that, the little moss stuff, I got that from Dollar Tree also. They sell that too. It's greenery stuff. That stuff, the green stuff. Yeah, they sell that at Dollar Tree as well. I got that at Dollar Tree too. So, I know I had told you all about my jewelry channel, which I put a link in the description box. Come and take a look. But I was telling you all that I do have a website up if you all want to purchase any of the projects that I'm making. I'm not certain if I want to sell this because shipping this one might cost a little bit too much, you know. Even though I made it with the wood and everything, it's really not that heavy. You are gonna put your own water in there. That's the only thing that really makes it heavy. I could, you know, ship it with the bowl and the box, but I might have to think about maybe having a place where we can meet and it can be picked up. Maybe I don't know. I'll still put it on the website, but I have to think about how I would ship it, because yeah, it's not real heavy. It's heavy now because I got the water in there, so I can't pick it up because I got the water in there. But it's not that heavy with the wood, so we'll see how that works with some of them. So some of them that I put on the website, I'm gonna have a maybe on there. That means I may or may not sell it because it may cost too much to ship it, and I don't want to be charging you all that much to be shipping it, you know. So we'll see how it happens. But again, I do have a website up. I'll put that in the description box. Again, I did say that in my last video. I'm only going to have the website up for about 3 months. If it does well, it does well. I just put it in God's hands and I'm going to leave it alone. If it does well, I'll keep it up. If it doesn't do well, I'm going to take it down like around the end of July. I'll take it down. So, yeah, if it does well, I keep it. If it doesn't, I take it down at, at the end of July. So it's only going to be up until the end of July with the projects that you see that I'm making. If you decide you want to purchase any, that's up to you. But you can always subscribe and watch the video and like. That doesn't cost a thing. So I would love for you to subscribe and like. Doesn't cost you anything. That will help me out a whole lot as well. Just subscribe. So thank you all for taking the time out to see what I'm doing, to see what I'm creating. I thank you. I really do thank you so much for coming by to watch. So be blessed, be safe, take time to be kind. Always have to say that. Okay, thank you guys. Until next time, bye.